In the field of photovoltaic industry, especially in the process of processing original parts, temperature control is very critical. High temperature will affect the photovoltaic conversion efficiency and cause potential safety hazards of equipment. Only a chiller can cool some equipment in the photovoltaic industry, especially in the process of silicon wafer manufacturing and coating application. High temperatures affect the quality of silicon wafers and solar conversion efficiency, so a cooling system is required to control the temperature. Only a chiller can reduce the temperature of the equipment through water cooling technology, so as to keep it in the suitable working temperature range. Therefore, in the photovoltaic industry, chillers are often used to cool down cutting equipment, coating equipment, and other equipment that requires cooling. It can also be applied to new energy fields such as photovoltaic energy storage, electrolytic hydrogen production, distributed hydrogen production systems, battery manufacturing, research and development, and testing.